Hello, it's me, Kamal Asad, and today I'm gonna teach you PHP, which is short form of pre-hypertext preprocessor, and it is a widely used open source general purpose scripting language that is specially suited for web development, can be embedded into HTML. So let's start. First, I want to tell you that we have a software called XAMPP, and we have to just open it and start Apache and MySQL. Okay, it's get started, and now further. Today we're gonna it's low. Listen now. First, I want to tell you that this is the text editor. Okay, Sublime Text is my favorite one, and today I will tell you how to create a new project in it. htdocs and click new folder, and it is PHP test. Okay, select the folder. Oh no, wait. Okay, so let's create a new file here. Let's call it index.php. Okay, now PHP. This is the opening and ending tag of PHP, and let's begin our first PHP program. And it is like echo. Hello, Kamal Asad. Let's check it out. The input localhost PHP test. Oh, it's here. Hello, Kamal Asad. So it is our first lecture on PHP. I hope so you will enjoy it, and I will see you in the next lecture. Thank you.